Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable developer options on Vivo. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to enable developer options in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your phone settings. In settings just scroll down and look for about. Here's the about section, just select it and here go for software information. Basically you just have to look for software information in your phone, so just select it and here you'll get the build number option. You just have to tap on it for 7 times. So let's do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Here you have to enter your phone pin and then you can see you are now a developer options are enabled. Now go back, go for system management. In system management just tap on it and here you will easily get developer option settings and here you can easily choose developer options. If you want to disable you just have to tap on it and this developer option will be disabled. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.